For homeowners to know when they need to go ahead and have a roof replacement done on their home, typically what I tell homeowners is that you can expect to have the life cycle of an asphalt roofing system last you about 18 to 22 years here in the mid-Missouri climate. So around the 10 to 12 year period is where roofing asphalt systems start to plateau a little bit, meaning that you're going to want to get annual inspections at that point and basically just do preventative maintenance for longevity of the system to make sure you can get the full life expectancy out of it. But if you're seeing shingles blown off in your yard, other neighbors getting their roof replaced, those are signs that you might want to go ahead and have an inspection done. That's why you can call a professional like us to come out there and give you that opinion.